Good morning. We have so much to get done today. Woo, it's just that time of year where the projects are never ending and then the tasks are also never ending, and we basically never finish a day with getting everything done. Arthur is working on tilling our summer garden, but it's quite the job. And me and the whole crew are about to go milk and check on Mama and baby goat. So come with us. It should be pretty fun. Where you headed, girl?
Feed my chickens.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute.
All these new things.
Good morning. You ready to go? You wanna go milk? Can you grab the milk pail and the water pail? We meet again.
What is that?
It's a bucket.
We put it on the milking stand for him.
The mama ducks came off their nest, so I'm giving them a little food. And it's so cute because the daddy waits. He was waiting. Maybe that's it. Thank you. Oh, you found your boots. That's always a good thing.
When you start with not enough clothes, it's harder to get warm.
We are running late this morning, and the baby goats are letting us know that they are ready for their mamas. So I'm gonna hurry up and milk the mamas so we can reunite everybody. Yep, every day. That little head's sticking out every day.
I'm climbing really near. I can't do that right there. I like to.
Time to see your babies. Come on, everyone find their mama. Where's your mama, Lucky? Find your mama. Oh, I'm so excited to see how they're doing this morning. What'd you name the baby goat?
May.
All right, will you grab May? You bring May and Moonbeam will follow you. Oh my goodness.
Well, at least we know she's healthy enough.
You're getting a good look at her for the first time. That's nice. It's so dark in this stall. Okay. Hold her up to Moonbeam's face so Joy and I can milk her out. So a lot of times when a goat just has one kid, their udder gets super lopsided, and hers is, it's hard to tell the way she's standing, but there you go. Super lopsided. So we're gonna milk out the side that baby's not drinking so good off of. I find that we typically only have to do this for like a week or so, and then the baby starts milking on both sides. And yeah, it's worth it.
Start milking.
Yeah, and then we'll start milking after 2 weeks.
Look what I did with the baby.
This teat is so tight. I don't even think you could milk it out. It's so...
Well, she can in a second.
You're gonna want to milk them out.
It was my idea to put her there.
That was a good idea.
She's so cute.
You're just doing the teat. It's right here. Don't go higher than right there because you don't want to injure her. There you go. All right, go ahead. Remember, squeeze the top and then, yes, pinch the top off gently and then squeeze out. It's kind of hard because her udder's so full. You're doing very good, Joy. Good job. You'll just get better and better at it. She's practiced on Raven a couple of times, so.
Yeah.
Now remember, go a little lower, honey, or you'll pinch her udder, and you don't want to do that. You just want the teat.
Look how fast I'm doing.
How do you feel about how you milked today?
Good.
That was your best time ever. See, you just get better and better.
Instead of pinching the top, I just squeezed. She has a huge lump right here, just like Raven did.
Okay, well, I'll, let me feel it. So she does have a lump, which can mean that she got too engorged last night. Yeah, it's really big. That can lead to mastitis, which would be terrible. We could deal with it, but you can't really see it, or I would show it to you. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this off and work on this for a minute. Oh, if you find lumps in your goat's udder, bring the baby over here, honey. You'll want to massage those out. Grace, can you go up to the house and get that udder cream that Daddy bought for Alice? We put May on this teat because she can clean it out or nurse it out better than we can milk it out. Like, she can strip it. She obviously can't get all the milk right now, or her mama wouldn't have been so engorged. But she can get the last bits for us. Her butt's nice and clean. Mama's doing a good job.
Store teat, swollen udders, high SCC, flaky milk. Made with real peppermint oil.
We could probably make that ourselves. Well, now that you've got your fill, I'm going to put this organic udder cream, and it should help break up any clogged ducts that are in there. But I have learned a lesson. I thought that when they have one kid, milking them out the next morning was sufficient, but now I'm realizing I got to start the day they're born. I got to start that first night if they only have one kid. When they have two kids, it seems to be fine, but just one, you got to milk them out. So, yeah, I'll probably be milking her out 2 to 3 times a day until those clots break up and until baby can keep up with the supply, and rubbing some of this on there.
Dad said it burns your hand a little bit. Ooh, that's weird.
There's pretty big lumps in there.
I'm getting very good at finding out that there's big lumps in people's udder.
I'm trying not to put it on the teat at all, because I don't want baby to decide not to nurse on that side.
Could it taste weird?
Yeah, I know.
You could put like a drop in the other teeth to get it to do on that. Does it burn?
It doesn't burn me. It's not on my udder. I mean, my...
Want to see my favorite chicken?
All right. And we don't let her out yet. We'll let May and Moonbeam out once May's more steady on her feet. We would just hate for her to get trampled.
And can jump around and get out of the way.
Yeah, we would hate for her to get trampled by these guys or this girl.
A nest!
It's a swallow nest. It's a swallow nest. This has been a great morning on the homestead, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Yes.
What is that nest?